Recently, some Android users are experiencing Bluetooth delay issues with wireless earbuds. Because of this problem, it's hard to listen to music properly, and sharing files or using wireless headphones becomes frustrating. After analyzing the issue, here are the top 3 proven solutions to fix Bluetooth audio delay on Android. First, open your settings, scroll down, and tap on Additional Settings. Then scroll down again and tap Developer Options. Now look for Bluetooth Audio LDAC codec playback and choose Optimize for audio quality 900 kbps. Second, go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Bluetooth. Remove your current Bluetooth device and then reconnect it. Third, open Settings again. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then Manage Apps. Tap the 3 dots in the top right and choose Show System Services. Search for Bluetooth, tap on it, then tap Clear Data and select Clear All Data. Before doing anything else, check for a software update. If there's a new update, install it. Finally, reset your wireless earbuds to make sure everything works properly. After following these steps, your Bluetooth delay issue should be fixed. If you're still having problems, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.